in nature.
Well, my humble submission is this, this is recommendatory is nature. This is, we cannot say you add this section.
You have
that is true.
You have said that, sir. This letter itself.
But we can always monitor the investigation, my lord.
I will come to that
So
later.
my investigation is concerned. But kindly see their response. Kindly see their response also.
Come to one by one. Everything,
yes.
Sir. So you don't agree with the contents of this letter, sir?
Only because that part we cannot direct for investigation, but always we can recommend for investigation. Kindly take note of it, my lord.
Recommend for what investigation?
Appropriate sections. My lord, lesser section has been given. Your lordship knows.
Where from are you getting that power? You say that you will be recommending for appropriate section.
So far as the investigation is concerned, my lord, we do not have power, because on the basis of the recommend, we always can recommend that. My lord, kindly see the power.
Basis of what you will recommend, sir? You must have materials before you to recommend. You are asking. This is a direction you are passing.
Yes.
This passing of the direction of addition of section 79, 352 and section 34, 74.
Yes.
Is on the basis of what materials you have? You tell me.
But the entire conversation, it was there before us. The letter which has been given.
The conversation is before everybody.
Yes.
So how do you direct when the investigation is carried on? I've got no issue, sir. Show me the provision over here that you had materials which are more than what the case diary is, than what is available. And that is why you recommend these sections to be added. First of all, I have my doubts regarding this powers to be exercised.
My lord, if your lordship heard the conversation, your lordship will, certainly invoke, what are the sections which is applicable? Kindly the section which they have given. The lesser section has been given. But we are not concerned about the other sections. They are given the sections 132, 224, 354, 3. But we are not concerned about that. It relates to public servant. We are not interfering to that. We are interfering, the commission is interfering when there is a lesser section has been given, although the statute.
The commission must have power, sir. Then tomorrow Human Rights Commission will make a recommendation.
There
are thousands of commissions. They are going to make recommendation and interfere with the police investigation, sir. Court of law usually doesn't. Even a higher court of law is reluctant to interfere with a.
That is true, my lord, no doubt.
You carry on with your investigation. You require the attendance of a person who will not interfere with that. But you will not have access to the case diary.
No, not case diary. What Supreme? We are saying case docket. Milord, kindly see.
Case docket means what? How
what is case docket? The relevant. What it says. The case docket means the relevant. The documents which will be there in the case diary. The Supreme Court is saying the very recent judgment. Only the statement made under 161 and 164 that should be not given to the commission. Other document regarding FIR. Progress of investigation that can always be submitted before the commission.
But the FIR and progress of I am not interviewing. But case diary as a whole cannot.
No, we are not saying so. We are never saying so. Your lordship can record that. The statement, so far as the investigation part is concerned, 161, 164, the Supreme Court is very clear on that. But I can rely on a superior police officer of our state, ADG CID, in connection with same proceeding, in CWC, this is National Commission of the National Commission for Protection of Child. The similar situation arises. Kindly see the paragraphs. Few paragraphs I shall refer on to your lordship. Here, it was cautioned that whenever a commission is asking for attendance of a police officer, he is bound to do so.
I am not trying to demean the power of the commission.
Yes.
What I am trying to say is that each are independent of each other. You carry on with your
our investigation and summoning of a person.
For that, if you require a document or the appearance, you summon him as usual.
Yes.
But what you are doing.
But in this order only, the Supreme Court's order.
No, that is Supreme Court's order in a different set of facts, sir.
Similar set of facts. Almost.
No, here is complete interference by the National Commission for Women over.
No, regarding the amendment of section, only to that extent. I said, this is on a basis of a.
You could have gone to the court of law for doing that. How can you direct? You could. I understand. Any person can go. Today, public interest litigation is going on also. So courts are reluctant to advise investigating officers. We don't ask. Then from tomorrow onwards, we'll say arrest this person, arrest that person. Can we say that? Sir?
No. But this was deprecated by the Honorable Supreme Court. That is the last the Supreme Court is saying in a similar situation. The judgment which
what are the case documents? What are the documents you want?
Yes. Kindly see the document, page 41
of the writ petition.
Of the writ petition. FIR and all related GD entries, because your lordship will see why you have called for other GD entries. The accused in this case, who is a very influential person, on the first day of notice, he did not appear.
It's the merits of the case you are interfering, sir.
Yes, that is the reason. Lord, we need to recommend all this before the central government. That power we have. And not only central government, we can recommend it to the state government also. So the state government can act in terms of the law and place all these documents before the assembly. That the statute mandates.
The statute mandates that you do it on your investigation, sir. What you are wanting presently, see over here.
Yes.
FIR and all related
Yes,
GD entries.
no problem.
Public document, no issues regarding that.
Public document. Videography and photograph.
Photographs of what? Of what? These are vague, no video and photograph of what?
Then the medical and forensic reports.
Medical what report?
Medical report, why I am telling your lordship, Lord, so far as the allegation which we got, the person is very influential.
On
the very first day, he has given certain certificate regarding his
then you
sickness.
So you have got to specify that of the accused.
Of the accused, of
so
course.
Where have you stated that?
That is the only medical report they have. In this case, entire conversation and all, your lordship will not find any medical report. The medical report of the accused.
So you are investigating what? I'm telling you, what are you investigating to find out some truth?
Of course, my lord. Yes.
Truth.
Yes.
So
and not only truth, and which are the recommendation on basis of the complaint, what are the actual facts, so that we can recommend to this central government and also state government to avoid this kind of situation and to take precaution for the offense.
No, that you do. Your recommendatory power, I'm not to dispute.
Yes.
There's a legislation regarding that. But you have got to specify the medical documents of the